Well, here we are in the Long Beach Cruise Terminal. We flew in from Phoenix first thing this morning and had a pretty quick flight. Flew into
We are
Long
now boarding
Beach.
zones A1 through A8.
Flew into Long Beach
Zone
Airport.
A1
Never been there before. It's a nice,
A8.
small, like
Please
municipal
proceed to the
airport
boarding area.
almost. Pretty smooth process. Got a cruise shuttle over here, and now we're just waiting for our boarding time. This place is a madhouse a little bit. Holiday travelers are here.
We are now boarding zone A1 through A10. Zone A1 through A10. Please proceed to the boarding area.
Can't wait to get on. First time on a Carnival cruise, and we're just excited to get on that ship and take a spin. Well, here we go. We're on the walkway up to the ship. Welcome, guys. We're aboard.
If you hear the party in this cruise and have yourself a good time, Panorama, don't be shy, join us on the dance floor.
And celebrate with you. Who's been waiting for this vacation for a while now? Well, Panorama family, say it with me. We are back!
Room tour time. We are staying in room 1330 on deck 1, forward of the ship and just below the spa, which has kind of been our main focus on this cruise. Great spa. We'll go into that more detail later. Let's start with this cabinet here. We have a couple of shelves, which Robert's using for his clothing and some of our extra stuff that we brought. Of course, the regular safe, it's kind of small. Another shelf here, and then we have drawers here that we're using for our undergarments and night clothes, things like that. Back up here, and we'll open these. Well, this is my side. Using it for my blouses, and I did have one dress on this cruise, and I hung it over here at the time. Right now it's getting washed, so that wasn't a problem. So we have Robert's side here with his pants. It's worked out really well. And then in the hall on the way coming in, we added some hooks for our masks and lanyards. That's in addition, of course, you have the regular card that you have to put in for the lights and all that good stuff, your main light switch. And then Carnival gives you a couple of hooks here, so that's great. And then you have your room service cards, which we've been doing in the morning. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. Shower's nice and hot. I will give a word of caution. Be careful holding onto this or grabbing this bar. It gets pretty warm if you've got a hot shower going on. 3 shelves on both sides, which is nice. Sometimes you get that, sometimes you only get one side having shelves. Nice mirror here. Check the back of your hair. And yeah, it's been really good. Our room steward has been changing out towels pretty regularly, even though this says I'll use it again if it's hanging up. But he's been changing them out really regularly, so that's been good. Take a look here at the rest of the cabin. Oh, what's behind this door? It's another bathroom. It's actually a shower and a tub, for goodness sakes. Woo! We really haven't used it. We've talked about it a couple of times, but we haven't used it yet. We're using it, the clothesline is in there, one of the clotheslines, so we've been hanging our bathing suits. And we've kept our hamper in here. That's really all we've used that space for right now. We'll move on here to the cabinet and desk. Regular refrigerator. We took the rack out just for our wine. Our room steward's been keeping our ice bucket full. We like a little bit of ice in our waters. We bought the water package that you can do. You have to pre-buy it before you get on board, but you can pre-buy it and it's waiting here in your room for you, so that's nice. So these shelves, we have just some stuff that we're not using up there that we brought things in, just a little bag. And we've got our waters. I've got some collagen powder and probiotics there, vitamins, all good stuff. The desk is kind of a mixed use, of course. You come in from being out in the ship and you just kind of throw stuff. So we've been trying to keep it tidied up. Information from Carnival is here. Really not much paper going on this ship. We made up a binder and stuff to keep all of our receipts and any daily paper that we get in the room, but most of it is on the app. It's on the Carnival app, so, which is good. Less paper. What else can I tell you about this area? Oh, hair dryer, of course, is here. Pretty adequate. It's not super, but it's not bad either. I've got my makeup there. And yeah. Oh, yes, the plugs and lights. There's a vanity light, European plug. You've got a couple regular 120s and USBs here, which we've had pretty good luck with. Everything's worked well. So, moving on to this side. Again, we've got a couple extra hooks here for our pool bag and one of my purses. It's been nice to have a couch in the room. Sit here and have our morning coffee and Danish and fruit in the morning. So that's been really nice. The nightstands, they're small, which is fine, no big deal. There's no USB or regular outlets over here. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for extra outlets. There's a little bit of extra storage down there. It's not a whole lot, but it is something that you can kind of tuck away a laptop or something, keep it out of sight. Good sized television. We haven't watched any of the movies. There's quite a few movies on there on demand. So we might watch Peter Rabbit tonight. We'll see. And then Robert has his nightstand here. We've got our hamper here right now. And yeah, we have enjoyed having this window in the room. This is the first time since our very first cruise that we've had a window in the room. We had a porthole when we first got married on our honeymoon vacation. And that was really fun. But this window's been great. I like a balcony too, but this is definitely second to. Our little towel animals here. We named this one Jack after the cat from home. So that we left at home with Grandma. So there they are. Did I forget anything?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Good.